How to set up shipping costs. First step, go to the home page and sign into your account. Then click My Account. When in your dashboard, go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots to drop down the menu. Select Shipping Settings. Here is where you can select your base shipping cost, which is a flat rate that will be applied on top of all products. You also have the option to offer free shipping if the customer spends over a certain amount. Remember to save any updates you make. We understand you may need to add additional shipping costs to individual products. To do so, find the products within My Adverts. Select the small pencil symbol to edit the product. Click Edit again. Pricing and shipping is found within the second level of editing a product. You will see the base shipping cost is in place. To increase the shopping cost, add the amount into the additional domestic shipping charge field. This amount will be added on top of your base rate. Update and then save the product. A small tip. A lot of our sellers tend to absorb the shipping charge within the product pricing to offer free shipping. This can work well with customers buying your products, but not essential.